Hi, if you need to change wrist orientation on Google Pixel Watch 3, then press this digital crown first to open list of apps. And here, just rotate the crown to scroll through this list and find settings. Now all we have to do is to find Display tab and simply scroll a bit down to find this section Wrist Orientation. Tap it and pick either left one or right one. In my case, I got left wrist, so left one lights up white. To change the position, tap on right one, and after that you can also adjust crown's position. So from the right side you can move it to the left side, and as you can see the screen just rotated because in this way it will be the most comfortable to use on right wrist. For left one, I suggest you to pick left option, and as for crown, place it on the right side, just like this. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.